remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for Central Mobile County. At 12:47 a.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Mobile Regional Airport, 8 miles northwest of Tillman's Corner, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Mobile Regional Airport around 12:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Midtown Mobile around 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. Pritchard and I-65 and I-165 around 1:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Chickasaw and I-65 and Alabama 158 around 1:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Saraland around 1:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. Central